What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we are talking about something small but extremely important for every driver, the best car safety hammer you can keep inside your vehicle. Emergencies happen without warning, and being prepared can truly make a difference. In this video, we will look at a smart and compact tool that could help when you need it most. Let's get started. Today's product is the Basius BS-013 Car Safety Hammer. This is not just a simple hammer. Basius designed this tool with three important emergency functions packed into one compact device. It is made to help drivers and passengers during serious roadside situations like collisions, jammed doors, or sudden breakdowns. The idea is simple. When something unexpected happens, you want a tool that works fast and works well. The first key feature of the Basius BS-CG013 Car Safety Hammer is its built-in seatbelt cutter. In an accident, seatbelts can sometimes get stuck or become difficult to release. This cutter allows you to slice through the belt quickly so you can free yourself or help someone else. It is designed to cut efficiently, saving precious seconds when every second really matters. You do not need extra strength or complicated steps, just a quick motion and the belt can be cut cleanly. The second important feature is the U-shaped window breaker. If your car doors are stuck and the windows cannot go down, this tool gives you another way out. The window breaker is designed to shatter car glass with minimal effort. The strong impact point focuses force into a small area, helping break the window quickly and effectively. This can create an escape route in situations where staying inside the car is not safe. It is a simple feature, but in a critical moment, it can make a huge difference. The third feature is the built-in emergency lamp. Accidents and breakdowns often happen at night or in low light conditions. The Basius BS-CG013 Car Safety Hammer includes a light that helps you see clearly in the dark. Whether you are checking your surroundings, changing a tire, or signaling for help, this lamp adds extra visibility. It also helps others spot you more easily, which increases your safety on the road. Now let's talk about the design. The Basius BS-DCG013 Car Safety Hammer is compact and easy to store. You can keep it in your glove box, door pocket, or center console, so it is always within arm's reach. Despite its small size, it feels durable and solid. Basius focused on thoughtful engineering, so it is strong enough for emergencies while still being lightweight and convenient to carry. It does not take up much space, but it gives you real peace of mind. Overall, the Basius BS-CG013 Car Safety Hammer combines a seatbelt cutter, a powerful window breaker, and an emergency lamp into one practical tool. It is designed for quick action, easy handling, and reliable performance when things do not go as planned on the road. This small tool could make a big difference. If you want to add an extra layer of safety to your car, check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful videos like this. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.